everyone, Jaymes Mansfield here bringing you yet another video. Oh my god, you guys, I have got the surprise for you. It is our annual Halloween wig revisit. Yes, we're revisiting some of the cheapest wigs I can find during Halloween time. And there's very few that are cheaper than Five Below. Yes, I found wigs at Five Below yet again this year, and I am going to try them out to see if maybe they've gotten better. Maybe they slay this year. They haven't slayed the last 4 years, but maybe this year is their year, okay? Lucky number 5. Here we go. These are the wigs I found. I got 2 of them. This is costume wig, one size fits most. And it is 19 inches, and it is a pink hard front wig. What really struck me about this model is the fact that this wig probably has bangs, but they tucked them underneath their hairline on the picture. Look at that. There's bangs right there. They just tucked them right underneath. Oh my God. Who's gonna know? No one's gonna know. Oh my goodness. And also this AI job on this face. Like, that's not her face. That is not the model. We don't know who that could be. Who is she? What is she? Warning, risk of suffocation. Well, that's good to know. You know, in case you're into that sort of thing. All right, well, let's try this on. It's 100% polyethylene terphenolite. Okay, great, good to know. Those are your wig stats, okay? The specs of the wig. Here we go. I'm gonna open it up and see what's inside. Let's see. Okay. I love a wig that's packaged like a sandwich. Okay, open it up. Oh, the shininess is still there. Yeah, it's 19 inches, and it looks like there's a bit of layering to it. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Let's count our tracks, shall we? We have 1 track, which counts as going all the way around the crown of the head. So that's pretty good. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 tracks. Oh my goodness. Is she a bachelorette party wig or what? I am so excited to put this on my head. It's got the little sad bangs. Look, we're ready for Gag City. All right? I think we are ready for Gag City. But let's try it on, shall we? Let's see how this wig looks like on the head, okay? I'll be right back. Welcome back. Okay, I'm looking at this. It's like looking into the mirror, you guys. It's totally her. Like, I look just like her, I know. So much shame. A model didn't even want to actually wear this wig. This is horrible. I can see why they hid the bangs. Looking in the monitor right now, I understand why the bangs were left hidden. My goodness. Yeah, I'm ashamed of these two. It's kind of giving Aunt Gladys. Like, if I pull it back further. Aunt Gladys's bachelorette party. Oh my gosh. I've seen many girls in the strip with hair like this. And you know what? They're good time gals. I'm not one that hates on bachelorette parties, coming to drag brunch or the gay clubs. You know what? Those girls keep us going, okay? Their dollar bills have paid my bills, all right? We love our bachelorettes here. Be nice to straight women. Okay, well, I am going to take this off my head as soon as possible because it's rather itchy. And it feels very much like a costume wig. This is very much something I would see on the side of the road, like on Vegas, you know, after the party's over. Or like in a pool of puke. You know, I could see that. That's probably where this wig is destined to end up. Oh my goodness. But she's kind of slaying. Ernie, tell me, how is the back?
It looks full from here. It's shiny as hell.
It is very shiny, okay? Yeah, it's very much, oh, there's my roots. Yeah, it doesn't want to stay on my head. I gotta like fight to keep it there. So this is gonna be interesting. Well, I bought 2 of these, thank goodness. So hopefully I'm able to create something wearable out of this. All right, I'm gonna take this off my head now. Stop making me wear it longer. Okay, it's stuck to my earrings. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Oh. Ah, shit. Ah. Okay. Oh my God.
That's all on video.
Oh my God. Welcome back. You guys saw that, right? This thing tried to fucking attack me. Oh my God. Now let's just start brushing through her and see how she's go. And see how she's going. Yes.
I'm gonna have to turn down the light.
Okay. It is really bright. If I were any other wig influencer, I'd probably just take a couple of clips and just clip it like that and say, look at that. It's wearable. But I'm not like that. I'll never be that guy. Okay? Let's just take this down some more.
You sure you want to brush it?
I think I do. We're getting rid of the strays right now. Look at me always catching strays. Oh my gosh. Let's just brush through the bottom of it and get it looking nice and neat. And whatever 4 hairs are left are the ones we'll style. That was it. I think it was just a few of those stragglers that had to go. You know, it's fine. You know, they couldn't hold their own weight. Now this is the hair, and brushed out, she still looks a mess. But we're going to make something out of it, and that's truly what matters. Let's see how our bangs are doing. I don't think these bangs are really workable whatsoever. If they are, I don't know. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I do see a bang. There's something here. I can feel it. Whatever they did, they didn't cut enough of the hair to make a proper bang. So that's what we're going to do right now, is we're going to make a proper bang right now. Because there's just simply not enough hair. They just cut like the little teeniest bits right at the like tip of it. Okay, where are my scissors? There they are. Okay, let's just make some proper bangs quick. Give her a $5 bang trim like I'm working at the beauty salon again. My gosh. I still can't believe they charge for bang trims. How much does your salon charge for bang trims? Let me know. Or they charge it all. Remember when a men's haircut used to be $30? Honey, I remember when it was $18. Now I'm paying like $58 for a men's haircut. I only say that because I just recently got my haircut. But like, I trimmed it a little bit and it looks a little better. I mean, it's not great, but she's like a little bit, she's kind of serving Katy Perry, you know, Katy Perry in like the public standing she is now. Yeah. I will say though, I did see her like Vegas residency here when I was here. I was actually pretty blown away because I was never really like a Katy cat. It's one of those things where I got a little nostalgic hearing them back, and also there were puppets, so that did help as well. If you add puppets, generally I will usually enjoy it. I like how it's all just one big ponytail right here at the top. Just a big old ring. Now, the one thing I will say about these wigs, like I say every single time I style them, teasing them is usually a dream. It doesn't really suck teasing them. It's just a matter of like getting it in your lap and wondering what the hell did I get myself into. Once you get over that initial hurdle, it usually teases out really well. Just saying. You could probably find something with it. Now, my wiglets, if you're wondering who I'm talking to, like whenever I'm reading off a comment, this is being filmed in front of a live studio audience. Our wiglets are sitting on a taping right now. One of our wiglets, Foxy, just asked me, what are the steps to take for a wig like this? I believe is what she asked me. And I always say the first step is find a better wig. It should never come to this. Nothing in your world should ever bring you to a wig like this, okay? There are plenty of other options that are better. If you see a costume fiber like this, just run. Look at the reviews. If it looks like this, just avoid it. You can find something of a much better quality for the same price. And believe it or not, this wig was like fucking $10 at Five Below, which is highway robbery. No one say anything. Not a goddamn word. I'm going to turn this around and you're going to see this and we're all just going to experience this together. Okay? Slowly, 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 slowly. Now, I've seen some bald spots in my time. I've never seen a wig where it goes from a track here to the nape. The rest is fill in the blanks, girl. Oh my God. Okay, so I know I have to do some extra teasing in this section. That's what's going to happen. Okay. Yes. Keep packing the hair down, all right? If you think you packed it enough, just keep packing more, okay? Because we got a lot of ground to cover. We're basically building a whole new wig with teasing. Love that for me. This is truly going to be a base wig. Now, I'm not exactly sure where this is going at this point. If anything, we're just trying to make something wearable. The finish line is what the goal is right now, folks. Get it done as fast as we can and then throw it away. Burn it even. Even burn it. Consider that. One thing I had to ask, those of you that have bachelorette parties and come to Vegas with wigs like this, how come you never get better wigs? Who in the bridal party is in charge of picking out the wigs? Because I must know. I really would love to know. I used to see it a lot when I did drag brunches and like, they're never that good, but I could tell like they're just enjoying themselves so much. But just imagine how much more sickening it would be if you just had more fun with the wigs. Like, do like a Farrah Fawcett wig or like a Lisa Rinna wig, you know? Why does it always have to be a colorful bob? What are we trying to do here? Is this Lazy Town? Because it looks Lazy Town. Just saying. You gotta do the cooking by the book. Even she would tell you that. It's kind of giving up to you right now because there's so little hair. I think we could probably pull it off though. I think that might be what I do. Oh my gosh. Because I don't think I've done an updo with these wigs before. It's usually like a 60s, like, you know, Ronnie Spector-y kind of hairstyle. So we're going to try and do an updo right now. I think that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna tease the rest of this and I'll be right back. Okay, welcome back. Now, I have the hair all teased out. She looks crazy and I'm doing something a little nuts right now. I have the back section right here. I basically had to build like a whole new cap out of hair. So that's what we're gonna do right now, okay? We're doing some full-on MacGyver kind of shit right now. Basically, what you see people doing with like, you know, the really solid ponies is what I'm gonna try and do right now. I'm gonna keep some hair up top so that we can do our fake updo. Almost like a Pamela Anderson 90s updo is what I'm thinking we can do with this. But first things first, I gotta make sure it's all together. So, as long as it's like that, and everything's going one direction, like the band. Now, I have to say this, and normally I'm not one that likes to be very negative. You know I'm not that way. I'd sooner cut off my right arm than say something to hurt somebody's feelings. But these wigs from Five Below, after doing this now for almost like 5 years annually now, these wigs have gotten way worse. Like, they're so bad. Like, the clump count, I've lost track here. Every time I brush my thing through it, I've been experiencing this, okay? This is basically a whole nother wig. It's like when I'm brushing Puff, a whole nother dog comes out. Okay, so I'm going to tether this down. First things, we'll spray it. And then find something to wrap around to keep it down. And that's gonna create the fake hairline in the back. We are getting innovative today, guys. Oh my goodness. Now we have a fun little bang going. Let's play around with this top section here and see if we can create like a messy bun kind of situation. I think we can. Okay, let's pull down some fringe for the front to cover up our, disguise some stuff. It doesn't look like much right now, but I tell you this, by the time I'm finished with this, it's gonna be a wearable, gorgeous hairstyle. And right now she's kind of giving like intergalactic waitress, but that's essentially how we want it to look, like a nape, the nape of a neck. Okay, and then we gotta be careful with the brush, because whenever I run the brush through it, hair likes to fall out. I think she's gonna be kind of interesting. I'm definitely gonna have to do like some science fiction molding with the hairspray, but we're gonna make something work out of this, okay? She's gonna be super cute. All right, let's do that, and then play around with that a little bit. I'm going to contemplate my life decisions, and I'll be right back. Welcome back. Honey, we have been fighting with this wig for the past hour now. She is a bitch. I don't like her, but I think I finally got her somewhere halfway workable. So, what I've noticed is there's a reason why they hid the bangs in the picture. Like this picture, there's a reason. Because they're evil. The bangs are evil. I'm covering it right now. They are possessed. They're not of this world. They're not of God. Okay, these bangs are dark-sided. They're of the devil. And yeah, every time I think I'm done, a new bit of bang is sewn somewhere else inside the wig. Like, why is there a bang piece in the back of the fucking hairline? What's that about? Oh my God. But right now we're entering sort of like an early Nicki Minaj / Treasure Troll kind of territory. You know, the mushroom cloud, Nicki. We love it. We love it, okay? It's always a good time. Those hairstyles were iconic. Like when she had the Bride of Frankenstein one on SNL. Come on now. Icon shit. Okay, I think we did it. Holy shit, I think I did it. I think I managed to get something cool out of this hairstyle. I was worried I wouldn't be able to, but I think she might actually be wearable. But we got a hairline going, we got a bang, and we got a big ass piece of like just nothing right here that we got to shape up into something. Okay? Shape up or ship out. That's the warning I got when I got fired from the bank. The shape up or ship out warning. I guess girl math doesn't count as an actual math experience. Who knew? I think she's fun. It is ridiculous, but I love it. Oh, hell yeah. This is some very 90s hair. Bingo Queen gel curls you used to see all the time. God, we gotta bring those back, man. They were so good. Those eBay drag wigs. Who was it? There was a hairstylist drag queen on YouTube years ago, like the Misty Eyes era of drag like queens on YouTube. And they taught you how to do like gel curls, like water and gel inside of a spray bottle to create like hairstyles. Oh, I gotta find what I think there was like Candy something. They're a Southern queen, but I never forgot it. I've never actually physically tried it, but I bet you it would work on hair like this, especially. This is gonna be so ridiculous. I am here for it. Yeah, this is like some 80s drag club kid kind of hair. Very 90s New York hair. Yeah, I'm into it. I like it. I know I get someplace where I'd be pleased with it and there used to be something fun. We don't do a lot of fun hairstyles anymore. Let's bring those back. Drag used to have so much fun with its hair. Let's retire the flat hair, put away the flat irons, and bring out the teasing combs again. I just gotta add some bobby pins to this. And I think we're gonna be back with the final result, okay? I'll be right back. Welcome back. This is the final result. And I have to say, I'm pretty gagged I did this all with one wig. One pathetic little costume wig made this fun hairstyle. That just goes to show you truly can do anything, but it also goes to show even more, I can do anything, yes. Now, I have to ask you guys, what is this giving? Our favorite news segment, what is this giving? What are you getting from this hair? Let me know down below. I promise I won't get mad. I swear I will not get mad.
Well, Sponge King said, it looks top heavy, but we all know it's only 2 strands.
2.5. Okay, the half is on the floor right now.
It's giving turn the wig around.
No, I will not be doing that. We're not turning it around. It's barely on my head right now. If I turn it around, I feel like I'm going to mess everything up. This wig is only going to work one way. I don't think it's going to be as magical as it was last time. That's how the wig looks. Actually, it's kind of Team Rocket. Why am I low-key not really that mad at it?
Did you just turn the wig around?
I did. I look like Jessie from Team Rocket. Okay, now before I go, I have to take a moment for my wiglets. Roll it! To get thank you to my wiglets, Jacob, Sponge, Louise, Vera, myself, Ernie, Jess PKZ, Pearface, So Many Kitties, JT, Curtis, Romeo and Juliet, Miss Mozzie D, Christine, Darth Curray, Rose, Catalina, Macon, Marine, Veronica, Eliza, Molly, Dolores, Purr, B-Rex, Roger, Brian, Adam, Margarita, Tyler, Becca, Chrissy, Jason, Roy, Doug, Ricky, Myron, Gwendolyn, Pack, Hermage, Ember, Ramona, Homeo and Obliette, Daniel, Robin, Cat, Ava, Angus, Shane, James, Kurt, John, Mina, Iced Out Girlfriend, Rachel, Emily, Pickles, Miss Sheringham, Savage, Janet, Blue Collar, Sister of Doom, Ice Cream for Breakfast, Heather, Gina, McKay, February Roses, Cece, Joey, Temporal, Jay, Tina, Haley, Josiah, 60s, Deborah, Foxy, Chris, Omar, Miranda, Color Journey, Channel 1, Tracy, Lila, Planet Luna, and Pat. Thank you so much, Wiglets. Wiglet Addendum. Meg. Thank you so much, Wiglets. And here's to our community spotlight. Thank you so much for all your wonderful, wonderful, wonderful comments. Oh, now this has been fun. If there's any other cheap wig you want to see me style, please let me know down below. And usually I have these wigs for sale on my website. This one, unfortunately, is not going on there. But I have some wonderful wigs from previous Wig Wednesdays on Jaymes Mansfield Beauty right now. Now, before I go, I think it's time we do an unboxing. I want you to see all up inside my box. And since we're so colorful, what's more appropriate than a big into energy Labubu? Ooh. Now let's unbox it, shall we? For those of you ASMR junkies out there, this is for you. Okay, what is it, Ernie?
It kind of matches her hair.
Oh my God, it's love. It does match my hair. I could put it in my wig if I wanted to. Like, look at, that's a cover photo right there. Like, super cute. I might just keep it. But if I don't, we actually sell our unboxed blind boxes on Jaymes Mansfield Beauty. So if you can't find a Labubu in your neck of the woods, be sure and check out the website. We might have the color. We also have Labubu accessories. Now, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, I'll see you all in the live streams. Bye. Now hit the outro. Click here and watch me style an ugly Amazon wig, or watch my latest video. Come on, click it, you know you want to. If you don't click it, you'll get trapped in a blind box. So click it.